Hey kids, are you getting bored of playing only puzzles on CodeSpark? So let's explore something interesting. So let's play one more game and revise all the commands that we have used so far. So for that you need to tap on explore and then you can play Splash Clash. Yes my dear kids, Splash Clash is a multiplayer coding game in which you can give commands to multiple players. So kids, this game is between you and the artificial intelligence, means the movement of other player is handled by your computer, and here you need to give the command to throw a balloon on the other player. So here we are using throw right command to throw a balloon on the player, and here you can see the player is behind you. So here you need to give throw command, but you need to change its direction, that is towards the left. Kids, here you can see we need two move right command and one throw right command. So now move on to the next level, and here you can see the other player is on top of the blocks, and for that you need to move there. So for that you have to move right, then jump twice right and then throw the balloon. Yay! We accomplished the task. So in this level you can see you need to turn and move towards your left. Here you need to jump towards your left twice so that you can jump onto the blocks and then throw balloon. Kids, in this level we have done coding only for one player, and in further levels of this game we have to do coding for multiple player in a similar way. Kids, now let's have a look on multiplayer coding. In multiplayer coding, as you can see here, we have 4 players. 2 are from blue team and 2 are from red team. You have to do coding or give commands to the blue team players. So to give commands, you just need to tap on a particular player and then write command for that into the code area. In similar way, tap on the second player and start writing commands for that player. In multiplayer coding, the commands or the code that you write for a particular player will work as per your commands only. So you can give different commands to different players. This is multiplayer coding. So here the blue team wins. So kids, practice further levels of this game and do coding for multiple players. And here we complete this level by defeating the other player and throwing her into the water. Yay! We have done this. I hope you all enjoyed this game. Keep learning.